Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our detailed tutorial on assembling the MSI MS16P5, focusing on new case installations and motherboard repairs. Before we begin, let's gather the necessary tools. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, anti-static wrist strap, thermal paste, and a can of compressed air for cleaning. Start by ensuring your workspace is clean and static-free. Use the compressed air to blow out any dust from your components, particularly around the motherboard and cooling fans. This is crucial, as it ensures optimal performance and longevity. Next, we'll open the new case. Remove the side panels by unscrewing the screws located at the back of the case. Set these screws aside in a safe place, as you will need them later. Once the panels are off, take a moment to identify the mounting points for the motherboard. Before installing the motherboard, let's prepare it. If your motherboard has been previously used, ensure all thermal paste is cleaned off the CPU. Use a lint-free cloth and a bit of isopropyl alcohol for this. If you notice any damage on the motherboard, consider our professional diagnosis without obligation to assess if it can be repaired. Now, apply new thermal paste on the CPU. A pea-sized amount in the center is sufficient. Next, align the motherboard with the standoffs in the case and gently lower it into place. Secure it with the screws you previously set aside, ensuring it's firmly attached but not overly tight. If you're upgrading or replacing components such as RAM or GPUs, now is the time to install them. Ensure that the RAM sticks are properly seated in their slots. For the GPU, locate the PCI Express slot, align it, and firmly push it down until you hear a click. Once all components are securely in place, it's time to connect the power supply. Start by connecting the 24-pin ATX cable to the motherboard, followed by the 8-pin CPU power connector. Ensure all connections are secure. If you don't have the tools or prefer assistance, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it hassle-free for you. Next, connect the case's front panel connectors, which typically include power switch, reset switch, and USB ports. Refer to your motherboard manual for the correct pin layout. This step is crucial for ensuring that your case functions correctly. After all connections are made, double-check for any loose cables that might obstruct airflow. Now, let's close the case. Reattach the side panels and secure them with screws. Before powering on, ensure that everything is connected properly. If you need a quote before repair or upgrades, feel free to reach out. Finally, plug in your power supply and monitor, then press the power button. If all goes well, you should see the BIOS screen. Congratulations, you have successfully assembled your MSI MS16P5. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.